This is GMK Violet on creams that we unboxed, I think, last week. Very nice set. All right, I know this set has a lot of options when it comes like to novelties and symbols and whatnot, so I think we're gonna have a lot of fun putting it together. Hey, 707 jamming. I can't stand how SA sounds, to be honest. Yeah, I am the same, I was the same, but now I'm kind of liking it again, just because it's so different from Cherry that it gives you a different feeling. I think it's like drug addicts when they can't get their fix on like Cherry. Now I need something stronger. I think that's what it is. Sorry, couldn't find you on Thingiverse. So maybe I lied and maybe that's not my name. Let's see, hold on, let me log in. F Cody, yep, that's exactly what I said. I have my solder mount for the view of the solder cam. I don't know if you guys saw this, but basically when I'm doing soldering now, you can get like a close-up of what I'm doing like this. Like I can touch the pads and you guys can see what I'm doing. So this is, and that shared thing is for the thing that mounts a camera to the soldering iron. Yeah. Hey, S3OKyo is here. How are you? Or Selk. So this is, oh, I'm sorry, I'm not showing my screen. So this is what it looks like. And this is the part that I'm sharing with everybody that wants to do that and attach a camera to the soldering iron. I'm great as well. So that's something I released. This is my Lego case for the Dilly low profile. So basically you can attach Lego parts to a keyboard. That's another very nice board that I created. We have the Chocanoe, which is basically a low profile canoe. And also 30% for the same Dilly case. I have a plate for the Boardwalk PCB. I have the Alpha Triad and I have some. So yeah, that's basically what I have shared there. All right, so let's see, what should we use as accents? Let me put this Sweet Dreams here first. And I like this very much for the escape. There we go. Let's do the rest of the... So that's tab. Let's see, left shift. (175U) shift. So which one is supposed to be function? I don't know. Maybe we can use this as function. And then let's see. Let's put the spacebar on. Is that roomy guy that's always selling vintage blacks not good? I don't know, oh Harvey. Never bought from him. So I can't attest whether they're good or bad. But as a general rule, it's really hard to come across nice vintage blacks nowadays. The guy that sold the good ones, HB Heroine Bob, is no longer selling them. Okay, now I think that this is backspace and this is tab. Which doesn't really matter, but yeah, it looks better this way to me. I don't know about you guys. This is a very incredibly cool set. I do agree. Okay, let's see now for mods here. What do we want? What do we have? We have... Oh, and Yeah, this board has a kind of a serious issue. That's being a problem with SA key caps. Okay, not with the left one, because they did a wrong measurement for those two. So is this too much? Maybe we should put like regular caps there. What do you guys think? Should we replace those by like... Do we even have an option of... Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking, that gray would look better. But I'm just trying to find which mods to use there. So we have this option, but we only have one. I was wondering if they had this in 175U or 1.5U. Let's see, do we even have another one of those? Hey, Simego is now following. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. We do, so we can do that. Let's try gray. Yeah, this is really annoying. Yeah, if I put them upside down, they seem to behave a little better. Okay, there we go. I ran out of Ziplocs. Okay, let's see how this sounds after we see how it looks as well. Okay, let me zoom in. Take this off. Okay. There we go. Okay, before I plug it in, let's take a look at how it looks with SA Bliss. I think this is pretty cool. This is black inks. Yeah, I love the way it looks, but again, this is a uniform profile. There we go. So let's do a quick typing test. And here we go. Oh, maybe not. What do you guys think? Let me do another one. Yeah, all SA space bars are like that, at least mine. There we go. Yeah, I like it. I am gonna keep this as my daily driver for a bit. Make Nova, yes, this is a Baca 60. This is the one and only Baca 60. All right. Okay, so let me actually keep this one as my daily, and this is gonna go into my little shelfie thing here.